Hello guys, welcome to my channel English for Dil Se. My name is Satyendra Ponya. I am your anchor, I am your host, and as you can easily see that my channel is providing you information that how you can improve your skill, how you can improve your English ability skill. Because guys, English speaking skill is very important. Without English speaking, you can't even survive in India also. Okay, because our south area, you can easily see that Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Chennai, all you really have to speak English. They don't even understand Hindi also. Okay, so without any English speaking skill, how would you survive? Okay, just tell me, how would you survive? So this is my whole channel is about, and my channel, look, my all content in English. I'm just making my content in English so my audience can understand easily. Okay, this is exactly I really want. And also my channel is helping that how you can face the problem, how you can solve the problem. Because guys, no institute will give you this kind of information. Look, no institute will give you this kind of information. That's why you can easily see that their NEET scam. And let's see what our government will take action, but hope we will do best, and this time we will make a justice. Look guys, I'm telling you a very great thing. Be mature as much as possible. Okay, be mature as much as possible. And telling you what is the maturity. Maturity is not about that you complete school, you complete college, now you are doing a job, 50,000, 60,000 bucks. Now you are married, now you have a child, now you have family. No. This is not a maturity. This is the wrong assumption. This is the wrong perception the society make, and this society make and they deliver your mind. All boys and girls, listen to very carefully. This society make this perception that maturity is you are completing your school, you are completing your college, you are 50,000, 60,000 job, you have a child, you have a family, you have a wife. No. This is not a maturity. Maturity when you really understand that you are alone. Okay, you are alone in forest. Only lion is the only animal who survive, who eat, who sleep, who doing every activity which really any animal need. Otherwise, all the animals always looking that now someone is attack, now someone is attack, now someone is attack, now someone is attack. This is and look, this world is like a forest. Okay, and here are few lion who are becoming ruler. I mean, these you are doing 100 crore bungalow, 50 crore bungalow, 200 crore bungalow, luxury bike, car. Only few of loin are living healthy, eat healthy, sleep healthy, wealthy. They have a good family, their wife, their children, their friends have a lot of jewelry, and all the other people just watch. Just go and watch. Okay, I mean, here you can easily see example in Mumbai. I mean, Mumbai is the best example that can give you a reality check. There are a lot of slum, thousands of million of slum, and every slum has a cost of 5,000, 10,000. Okay, slum cost. But look at their skyscraper, look at their big building, big mall. Look at their, rich people, their lifestyle, car, jewelry, bike. Okay, so this world is like a forest, only few lion will survive. And now you can easily understand this world war. What is Israel, Gaza, Taiwan, Iran, okay, Rus, America. These are powerful country. These are powerful country. Look at this. I am telling you, and also just understand this thing also. Just understand this is, I'm telling you a very reality check. Mature as much as possible. Look, my grandfather has a 100 bigha zameen, okay? My grandfather has a 100 bigha zameen. But I really don't know. My mother and father are 55 and 60-year-old. And what they did to us, I really don't know. I mean, I really don't know what they did to us. They are 55 or 60 years old people, but I really don't know what they did to us. I mean, they just born, okay? They just born and, okay? Okay, they are born, okay? Okay. Child are born. That's why I'm telling you, just understand this. Go outside the world, sit the people, watch this world very carefully. Then you can understand this. You are a lone warrior. You are a lone warrior. Be like a lion. Be like a lion. Live like a lion. Because lion is the only animal who will rule, who will eat healthy, who will sleep healthy, who will full of joy. Full of joy, only lion. Only lion. So yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and for kind this information, please tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content for you. Please do me your opinion, otherwise I will make a content. Okay, thank you very much.